Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm telling you what to do, you're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
This is NC Tyrant Hunter. Let's see if we can find some tires today and educate some people. Out here in South Carolina. While you're waiting, hit that like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And hit that bell. And while you're subscribing, subscribe to my other two YouTube channels, Jeffrey's Here Live and Tyrant Hunter News. And also hit that bell. What's up?
Deputy Burton at Greenville County Sheriff's Office. How are you?
Good, man.
So what are we doing out here today?
Baking a cake.
Baking a cake?
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
Well, unfortunately, they don't.
You want a piece?
Huh?
You want a piece
Negative.
when it's done?
Hold on. Well, they don't want you on the property.
When we get on their property, then they got problems. But
you're standing on the property.
This ain't their property.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, sir. It is. You have your ID?
Come on, man.
The entrance is right here.
There's got to be somewhere for me to walk. There's got to be an easement.
On the other side of the road?
There's got to be somewhere to walk on both sides of the road. You know that.
No, sir.
Anyway, this is called an easement.
So before,
you already know. Before you go any further, I know what I'm doing. Right?
Sure.
This is the easement. I got a map in my pocket, so don't do nothing stupid.
Okay. This is what we're gonna do. You got a what? So you got
I got a map that shows where their property's at, so don't do nothing stupid, because that'll be bad.
Okay. So
on y'all's part, not mine.
What we gonna do? You got an ID?
I always carry ID.
You mind providing me your ID?
I do mine.
Why not?
Why would I?
So
Did I break some laws? Did I break a law?
We identify anybody we
Did I break a law? Until I break a law, you don't get my ID.
You're on their property.
I am not on their property.
Yes, sir.
You better show me a map then. Did you investigate?
Listen, buddy.
Don't buddy me. I don't gotta talk to you, man. I'm telling you, I'm not on their property.
Listen.
So do your research first.
Listen, hold on. We got a call for service. Two gentlemen standing on the property.
Then investigate.
Listen, you're talking, but you're not listening.
I'm listening. I already know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say.
We've got the owner of
I know what you're gonna say.
Where you were standing on the property.
What? Show me where their property's at.
You're standing on it right now.
This is not their property, boss.
Yes, sir, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay.
So, are you gonna provide us with any ID?
I am not.
Why not?
Because I hadn't broken any law.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask you nicely. If you want to record, that's your God-given right by the Constitution. You can do film, you can do whatever you want to do out here. But you cannot be on this because
this is the easement, man.
This is their property.
It's a city property.
He's on the other side of the road. Why you can't get on the other side?
I've been over there and I've been over here, walking down through here.
And we're asking you, do not go near this property. Anything on this side of the road is their property.
No, dude, come on, man.
Yeah, and there's no dude. No.
Yeah, there is a dude because I know I'm legal to stand right here.
There's pictures of even you in their driveway.
Right, walking through their driveway.
That's their property. And you
how you figure, dude? We gotta have somewhere to walk, man. Come on. I need a supervisor.
They don't want you.
I need a supervisor right now.
They don't want you on their property.
I need a supervisor.
Are you gonna provide me with ID?
I'm not. I need a supervisor.
You're not getting a supervisor.
Supervisor.
Provide me with ID.
No, supervisor first.
Are you gonna provide me with your ID?
Maybe if I get a supervisor.
Well, you want to hand me your ID then?
No, not until the supervisor gets here.
Well, so you want me to do what you want, but when I ask you to do something...
You're a public servant. You serve me. I don't serve you. Until I break the law, you can't tell me what to do.
You're trespassing.
Okay, give me a supervisor.
Are you going to provide me with your ID?
No, not you. I might give it to the supervisor.
You might give it to the supervisor.
Might.
It's very unreassuring, so...
Well, I don't know what to tell you, boss. What's your name? Norris? Neil.
Okay.
Look, I'm not trying to be difficult, guys, but this ain't their property. No, I'm standing up for what's right. That's what I'm doing.
So what's right? Okay.
I'm on the easement. This is a city easement right here. Come on, get your supervisor out here, man, before y'all do something crazy.
We're not doing anything crazy.
Okay, but I'm not moving.
All right. Look, man. How can we help you?
You can't help me. I don't need y'all's help. I'm a grown man. I know how to walk up and down the side of the road.
Yeah,
and y'all can't bully me.
I'm not trying to bully you.
Yes, you are. This gentleman right here is trying to bully me, and I know what's right and what's wrong.
All right,
and I know this ain't their property. You already know. You're just trying to bully me to try to get your way because you're some kind of authority over me, but you're not. You have no authority over me whatsoever until I break the law.
Adam 49, go ahead.
Is that not right?
Sure.
and I'm not breaking any law. Look like you know what you got some sense, but this guy here talking about not giving ID. Come on, man. You think this is my first time? Do you think it's my first time? I'm talking to you. What's your name again? Butner? Burton. I know where I can stand and where I can't stand, right? I already know this is a city easement. You knew that. I hope you knew that. When they tell you I'm on their property, you're supposed to investigate, right? If I'm standing right here a foot from the road, I gotta have somewhere to walk because I can't walk in the road. And you gotta have somewhere to walk on both sides.
How's it going?
What's up, man?
You guys from here or North Carolina?
We from, yeah, one of those.
One of those?
Yeah.
Either here or North Carolina?
Yeah.
You guys PIs? I mean, if you are, you are. I don't care.
No, I'm good with this out here, enjoying this beautiful day, man. What's your name? I can't pronounce that.
You can't pronounce McDonald?
McDonald. Some of us rubbed off too, man. McDonald. Y'all got badge numbers?
They don't give us badge numbers. We have unit numbers. Would you like that?
Please.
Adam 29.
Adam 29. What's yours, guy?
Adam 29.
The same? Y'all all the same? Y'all driving the same car? 28? I got you, man. What's your name? Pronounce that for me. Heard? Is that right? Okay. I butcher names, man, and I'm not trying to disrespect none of you guys, man. I don't hate cops. I just hate when they're trying to come out, let this guy right here trying to bully somebody off of a freaking easement, telling me this is their property, knowing good and well it's not.
Well, he's just trying to figure out what you guys are filming.
It don't matter what we filming for, as long as we're not breaking the law.
You're obviously filming for something.
Absolutely, everybody does stuff for a reason.
Sir, would you mind stepping out of the roadway for me? Thank you.
See, you got to give some kind of directives, man. He's a grown man. He knows how to walk across the road.
And pedestrians have the right of way.
Well, you're right. This right here doesn't belong to them.
Have the right of way.
Right, but this right here guy was trying to, man, he was about to do something stupid. Oh, no, this is their property. Oh, he showed us a picture. You was on their property. They absolutely did not. And that's the problem these days. Y'all try to.
Y'all in the parking lot of
it don't matter. We walking back and forth. We got to have somewhere to walk.
If you walk into their parking lot.
We're not going in their parking lot. We was never in their parking lot. It goes about where the fence is at. That's where the property starts.
And down there it actually goes in further.
And you know that how?
I know. I got resources.
Yeah, it's called Greenville County Tax Map.
Hey, whatever, man.
Right?
Yeah.
But the fact that y'all pulled up the GIS map to see where their property line is so you can legally walk and not be on their property shows me that you kind of are wanting to push the buttons, right?
We're
Ride that line.
We come to film.
Want to push the button by having the map.
Right. We want to be protected, and I was about to break it out and show this dude here until he got all aggressive with me, and I told him to do his own investigation. He already should know this was the easement, man. If he don't, he does now. And that's why we out here. We're trying to educate. We're trying to educate people, especially officers, especially this guy right here.
Trying to educate.
Well, I just educated him.
You didn't educate nothing.
Yes, I did. Now you know you can't make me move from right here.
I said don't be on their property.
And you said this was their property. Did you not? It is not their property. Huh? It's not their property. How you gonna keep saying that? He just told you it wasn't. You can buddy me all day long, Bo. You're a tyrant. That's what you are.
It's fine, man.
That's what you are. You try to bully people.
Okay,
This guy right here didn't try to bully nobody.
Hey, but look. Here's what we're gonna do, okay?
I'm gonna know what I'm gonna do.
Okay,
I'm gonna wait here until y'all leave, and then we might leave later.
You guys can film whatever you want.
I know. I already know
It's
that.
their property,
I already
okay?
know that, man.
Okay.
So why you keep
Well,
telling me
listen,
something I already know?
What you can't do is park your vehicle right there because
Why
it's not
can't
a
we?
parking zone. Okay? Because you
You
can't
can
stop
park-
or
you
stand
can-
a vehicle like that on the side of the road. Okay? If you want me to go pull the statute up for you for the state of South
Yeah, please,
Carolina,
please
I
do
will
that. Please do
okay?
that.
Get me to stop and start parking statute for you.
I'd like to see that one.
You're not in the parking lot.
In our state,
Not
as
on the
long
side
as
of the
we're
road.
on the outside of the white line,
Okay?
we're okay.
So if y'all want to find a parking lot to put your car in and then come back, by all means.
I do want to see that statute. I need to have a copy of it.
You know what? Y'all can actually pull it up yourself. Since you wanted me to pull up the GIS map, y'all can pull up the state statute, okay? So we're going to go ahead and go. If you would just please put your car into some type of parking lot for me. Not theirs. No,
I want a supervisor.
For what?
For what? Because y'all trying to give us unlawful orders here.
No, we're not.
Okay, I need a supervisor.
If I was trying to give you an unlawful order,
I want a
would-
supervisor.
I would make you leave, okay?
Non-emergency
That's not
number
an
right there.
unlawful order. I just told you, you're lawfully standing right here.
You
I
can
told
call
you.
that
No,
number.
you was talking about the truck, man. I heard you.
Okay,
I got you,
call that
man. I
number,
got you, but
and you can ask for a supervisor.
I'd like for y'all to call me a supervisor.
No.
No, y'all don't do that?
No.
If I request a supervisor, okay. I'll see about that too.
Yeah,
Let's
go ahead and see about it.
We can go to the
4
PD.
McGee Street. Okay?
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one.
All right. Trying to give unlawful orders. I ain't having that shit today. Try to boss, see, and then they got to give directions. Oh, you got to move your truck. But we're not gonna make you do it. But we're not gonna pull up the statue either.
Let's go there.
Because there ain't one. I'm gonna fucking bam him. Yeah, that's the idiot that tried to tell me the unlawful orders about standing on the easement. People of South Carolina, leave me a comment how you think they are spending your tax dollars out here, and leave me a comment about this video and what you think about how they treated us, trying to bully us off of public property. Leave me a comment, guys. I'd like to know what you guys think about South Carolina tyrants. Go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe.
That would have been a good live one.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out my other 2 YouTube channels, Devil Share Live and Tyra Hunter News. Check out my Tyra Hunter merchandise and get you some BAM t-shirts or NC Tyra Hunter logo t-shirts and mugs and all sorts of stuff, handbags. And make sure you hit that bell to get all the notifications.
NC Tyrant Hunter.
You don't tell me what to do. You're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done. Bam! Take that. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I love all you guys. Make sure you hit up my store. Get some Tyra Hunter merchandise. Hit that join button. Y'all have a good one, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.